Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto chicken nuggets. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 6 ounces of cooked chicken. I used the canned chicken and I drained it and rinsed it off and dried it. 1 egg, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. And then if you want to do a coating, which I do, I have a cup of pork rinds crushed here in my NutriBullet, and I added about a teaspoon of the ranch seasoning to it. You do want to preheat your oven to 400 as well, and line a large cookie sheet with parchment paper. I pulsed the chicken, the cheese, and the egg into my NutriBullet, and now I'm just going to form that into 16 balls, and then we'll shape them into chicken nuggets and roll them into our pork rind mixture. I was able to get 12 chicken nuggets, and mine are pretty big size, so you could get 16 if you make them smaller. I just rounded mine into balls, shaped them like chicken nuggets, and then put them into my crushed up pork rinds. You really only need half a cup of those. I will adjust my recipe accordingly. So now we're going to get this in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes, flip it, and bake it for 5 additional minutes. My chicken nuggets are out of the oven. They cooked the whole 25 minutes. Next time I think I'll cook them for 10 minutes because they did get a little bit browned on that side, but they smell amazing. Cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. We got one here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, from all, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And like, subscribe.
Bye.